You can pull it.
That's some rad footage I just got.
See if you guys can pull it out of there.
Are you gonna pull the thing off?
Did you get all the corners through?
Here, I'm gonna drill it.
Yeah, buddy.
Comes prepared.
Who wants a massage?
Oh yeah.
And now we got the luxury bench.
Ah,
No, I missed it.
T-bark.
Chipping. We'll find a good spot. Oh, there you go. Guess I might have to cut more.
Yeah. Cut more. That'd be a good name for a company. Cut more.
Cut more.
We cut more.
More code.
Got sand right here too.